Hello dear children, hope you all are very fine and you have must watch the previous video that I have made for numericals on myopia. If you have not watched that video, please go and watch the video because you can understand there how object distance and image distance can be taken in myopia, and when you have object distance, image distance, then you can focal length of the required lens. So if you have watched that video, very good. If you have not watched, go to the channel and watch that video. So the near point, this question is based on numericals on hypermetropia. So let us start. The near point of a hypermetropic eye is 100 centimeter. What is the nature and power of the correcting lens? In previous question, we have seen that the far point is given. In the condition of myopia, far point is given, and far point is the image distance. Always remember, in case of myopia. And in case of hypermetropia, near point is given, and near point is the image distance. Always remember, far point is the image distance in case of myopia, near point is the image distance in case of hypermetropia. And it is 100 centimeter. What is the nature and power of the correcting lens? So let us see the explanation. This is the eye, nearly spherical, and we know that near point of healthy eye is 25 centimeter. Let this is S and it is 25 centimeter. I am not using sign convention here, but near point is shifted. The hypermetropia, in hypermetropia what is happening? Hypermetropia, the far away object is visible but nearby object is not visible. So near point is shifted and it is 100 centimeter. Now the important thing is what is the image distance and what is the object distance. This is very important. So write the object distance u equals to what and v equals to what. Object distance u equals to and image distance v equals to. So we know that the healthy eye cannot see the object which is in between 0 to 25 centimeter, and this eye is not able to see the object which is from 0 to 100 centimeter. So the object which is kept between 0 to 25 centimeter, image of that object is formed at 100 centimeter. So object distance will be minus 25 using sign convention, and image distance will be minus 100 centimeter using sign convention. Again I am repeating, the object which is kept from 0 to 25 centimeter is not visible for that person which has a hypermetropic eye. So object which is placed beyond 25 centimeter for an healthy eye, object which is placed beyond the 25 centimeter is visible, but object is kept between 0 to 25 centimeter is not visible for an healthy eye. But an hypermetropic eye, which is given here, object placed between 0 to 100 centimeter is not visible. So object distance will be 25 centimeter and image distance will be 100 centimeter. Since image of this object which is placed between 0 to 25, object which is placed at 25, image is forming of that object at 100 centimeter. So image object distance will be minus 25, image distance will be the near point which is given in the question. Now we have to calculate focal length. Focal length using lens formula, focal length f equals to what? Using lens formula, 1 over f equals to 1 over v minus 1 over u. Putting the values, 1 over f equals to 1 over minus 100 minus 1 over minus 25, and this is equals to 1 over f equals to LCM is 100 and this is minus 1, this is plus 4. So 1 over f equals to 3 over 100 centimeter, or f equals to 100 by 3 centimeter, or f equals to 100 by 3 divided by 100, that is 1 by 3 meter, or f equals to, it is calculated 1 by 3 meter. Since focal length is with positive sign, focal length is with positive sign, so what type of lens will be there? The type of lens or type of correcting lens, nature of correcting lens is converging. Nature of correcting lens is convex or converging, we can write, since focal length is positive, so nature of correcting lens will be convex. Now we have to calculate power also. So what is the formula of power? Power equals to reciprocal of focal length, it is 1 by f in meters, 1 by f in meter. So it is equals to P equals to 1 by 3, or P equals to 3 diopter plus 3 diopter. This is the answer. In this question, only you have to know what is focal, what is object distance and what is image distance. Then after you can calculate the focal length using lens formula. And when you have calculated the focal length, then you calculate power. So this is the answer of this question. Hope you have got the question very clearly.